Hey everybody, welcome back to Crapshoot Creations. This episode behind the scenes, you don't want to miss it, and away we go. Hey everybody, Crapshoot Creations here, live from the Columbus Market in Columbus, New Jersey. It's a rainy day, 6 a.m. We're going to hang out and wait till it clears up around 9, set up, sell a couple t-shirts, and head on back. So, let's take a walk around, see what goes on in these morning hours of the market. There's somebody already walking around now. So over here on the left, that was the entrance where the bathroom is in the food court. We'll walk underneath here, the canopy. There's 6 canopies. It's a little bit expensive to get under here, but you do good business. Right there's a way to get inside. We'll check that out in the daylight at the end of the video. Now here, if you look straight ahead, is what they call the infield. It's like 4 rows, probably about 400 something tables. See, we're underneath one. People, yeah, they're just out there sitting in the rain waiting. Market always has a good soundtrack going on too. I don't know who plans that, but they got some awesome soundtracks. Sometimes this is the best time in the morning. It's quiet, especially in the summertime. By 9, 10 o'clock, the place will be jam-packed with people. It's nice under here in the summertime, but in the wintertime it's like 20 degrees colder, so you actually want to be out from underneath here where the sun is. Here we go over here. This is where they collect the money when you come in. Car after car. Come in and get your spot up. Ching. Ching. My man George, he just collects the one right after the other. It's a free-for-all after 6:30. Ching. Take whatever spot you want, whatever's open. Go on the other side. We'll head on back over to where our spot is. Go on the far spot side. Right behind me is a big parking lot. Come up here and make a right. There's where all the cars are coming in. They come down, they pick the rows to the right or the left, and they set up. Oh, this is the infield. Believe it or not, you can't see it, but probably 1,000 tables out there. There we go, daylight a little bit. About 8:30 now. Show you a little view of what's going on, then got to get back and set up. Pretty much going the same way we did this morning. Just gonna walk up under here and see what the infield looks like. Not too many vendors, but there's enough vendors. Sometimes when there's not too many vendors, that's when you make more money, because a lot of people come far away to come down here to check it out. And they expect to have a lot of people at the Columbus Market. And usually you're ready to spend some money. Here's the infield. Should be an okay day. We're set up right back here behind by the building, up here towards the bathroom.